Hi everyone, hope you are all doing great. So, a lot of students and a lot of my friends asking that how did I get a visa approval within 10 days? Yeah, it looks like it's very easy, but things are not that. It took me 2 years to prepare my file, then I submitted. So when they get a organized file, they get an idea that this student or this applicant has the proper idea of the requirement documents and he has organized his file accordingly, so why not he'll get a result quickly. Suppose things like that. If any applicant apply with proper documents and according to the requirements, why would you keep that file pending? Okay, nobody will keep that file pending. If anybody found that file is well ready, well organized, and required documents are fulfilled, then he will able to give a decision quickly. Okay, so in this regard, I will advise you how can you be prepared for your application so that you'll get a quick result. Okay, so stay tuned. First of all, you have to organize or prepare your documents. You have to gather documents according to the IRCC requirement. So please visit the IRCC website, and there should be a requirement files what you need to submit. And if you need that file, I will upload into the comment section. You can download from that, and it will be better if you upload from the IRCC, because time to time it's change it up to that. Okay, you will get the uploaded file to the IRCC. And number two, according to the file, you will prepare your documents, keep your documents up to date, whatever it is, it financial, police clearance, whatever it is, keep your documents up to date. And some documents have validity, like police clearance, medical, they have validity. Ensure that and make sure that your documents is up to date, not backdated or not expired. Okay, number three is financial, and financial matter is very important. um, make sure that you have given enough financial details and financial authenticity, that they get an idea that your money or fund is mature enough and validate. Do not give any false information, mismatch information, or confusional information. Okay, and financial matter is very big. I will make a separate video for that, and let me know if you're interested. Only then I will upload it in details information in another video. Okay, uh, then I come to your other documents like SOP. SOP is very important and crucial things. It can make or break your application. Yes, it's very important. So make sure to narrate your own story, why you like to study, how this study will help you in future, and what your future plan, your country ties, why you like to return back to your home country. All these things should be well narrated, and it's like to be storytelling synchronized. Okay, and if required, you can take professional help. If required, you can take my review also. I have seen, I have write a lot of SOP, so I have got some idea and knowledge about it. You can send your SOP to me. I will give a review, okay, if I have time. So SOP, I will tell details again in another video. I will not gonna tell it. It will be very long then. After SOP, when your all file is ready, so you will, at the end, you will have the medical, foreign medical for Canada. If you do the medical, then it will be faster. It will be easier to them to take a decision and give you that decision as early as possible. Okay, I did my upfront medical as well. Yes, what I am telling, that is from my own experience, not from others experience. Okay, I'm telling you my first experience. So don't misguide it with the people, those who have not experienced and those who have not been in Canada. Okay, never been in Canada. So they are telling their other story, and they're telling from other YouTuber or somebody else's story, which is not true. Most of the time, they're telling that to get their TPR, to get more view. Okay, so if you have any question and concern, please let me know. I will definitely try to answer your questions. Thank you so much. See you again in another video. Bye.